योम किताब बल में कलम अरमान फिकर में रूहाना जिंदगी वाड़ी जो न पैदा कोरला ओ या गोरला दी द सडर इसमें न तब्दीली वाड़ी. Good morning everyone. Today I would like to speak on very important topic, girls' education. Education is a basic right of every human being, whether boy or girl. However, in many parts of the world, girls are still denied this right. This is not just unfair, it also holds back the progress of society. When we educate a girl, we do not educate just one person. We educate a whole family and a whole nation. An educated girl grows into a confident woman who can make informed decisions and support her family. Malala Yousafzai once said, "One teacher, one child, one book and one pen change the whole world." Girls' education leads to many positive change. It reduces poverty, improves health and promotes equality. Government, communities, individuals must work together to ensure that every girl has access to education. We should encourage families, build schools and create safe environment where girls can learn and grow. Let us promise today to support the promote girls' education wherever we can.